So, okay, so this will be example number 4 in sketching the graph of the rational function. And the given rational function is f of x equals 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 all over x minus 1. So again, we determine the y-intercept, okay? Y-intercept is when x equals 0. So when x equals 0, we're solving for f of 0. So that will be 2 times 0 squared plus 5 times 0 minus 3 all over 0 minus 1. We have 0, 0, negative, so 3. So therefore, our y-intercept is located at 0, 3. For the x-intercept, you let y equal 0, so f of x equals 0. So therefore, when f of x equals 0, magiging 2x squared na lang plus 5x minus 3 equals 0. Okay? Or n of x equals 0. Okay? Baka malito kayo. So, kapag y equals 0, makakancel na yung x minus 1, mag-multiply to 0, magiging 0 na lang. So, para makuha si x-intercept, you let n of x equals 0. n of x is the numerator. So, 5x squared plus 5x minus 3 equals 0. So, hirap to sa factoring. So, completing the square tayo. So, we have 2x squared plus 5x transpose 3. We have divide all of the terms by 2. So, we have x squared plus 5 over 2x equals 3 over 2. Okay. And then we divide 5 over 2 by 2. So, that will be 5 over 4. Square of 5 over 4 is 25. So, that will be 5 over 4 squared. So, I added 5 over 4 square of that. So, 5 over 4 squared din dito. So, this is now a perfect square. So, that will be x plus 5 over 2. So, 5 over 4 squared. Okay. Equals 3 over 2 plus 25 over 16. So, we have x plus, okay, transpose na natin ito. Square root. Okay. So, we have square root of both sides. We have x plus 5 over 4 equals, that will be 24. 24 plus 25 over 16 squared. Then x equals plus or minus, this will be 49 over 16, square root of that, 7 over 4, minus 5 over 4. So we have x equals plus or minus 7 minus 5 over 4. So if x is positive, if 7 is positive, that will be 2 minus 5, that will be 2 over 4 or 1 half. And if 7 is negative, that will be negative 12 over 4, so negative 3. So tatama siya sa x-axis. Saan? Dalawa. 1 half 0 and negative 3, 0. Okay, so dalawa. Okay. So we determine now the vertical asymptote. We already have the y-intercept and the x-intercepts of the rational function. To determine the vertical asymptote, we equate the denominator to 0. That will be the restriction of x. So we have x minus 1 equals 0. Therefore, the vertical asymptote is x equals 1. And for the horizontal asymptote, since the degree on top is higher by 1 sa degree of x sa denominator, meaning there is no horizontal asymptote. So, horizontal asymptote, none. None. Okay? None. So, ibig sabihin, we have slant asymptote. Okay, we determine the equation of the slant asymptote. Okay, paano nga ba makukuha ang slant asymptote? We're going to divide 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 by x minus 1 using the long method of division. So we have, or you can use synthetic division. But I prefer to use the long hand method of division. So we have 2x squared divided by x is 2x. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times negative 1 is negative 2x. Then we subtract, that will be 7x minus 3 plus 7. 7x minus 7. We have 4. So we disregard the remainder. So therefore, the slant asymptote is 2x plus 7. Okay. Horizontal. This is horizontal. Horizontal. Pagod na si sir. Horizontal asymptote. So, nan ang horizontal asymptote. The vertical asymptote is vertical asymptote is x equals 1. X equals 1. We have slant asymptote. Mm-hmm. 2x y equals 2x plus 7. Okay, so sorry. Should be y equals 2x plus 7. So we add points for us to easily graph or sketch the graph of the given rational function. So we solve for y if x has the following, or have the following values, negative 4, negative 2, 0.5, 1.53. Okay. So, but before that, i-plot muna natin yung y-intercept, tsaka x-intercept, and then the equation of the vertical and slant asymptotes. Okay. So, we have 0, 3. So, naandito. So, we have x-intercepts. We have 1/2 0. So, naandito yun. We have negative 3, 0 dito. And x equals 1 is the vertical asymptote. So, ito. Okay. For the slant asymptote, it is in the form of mx plus b. So, therefore, the y-intercept is 7. Tatama dito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Somewhere here. Tanggalin muna natin to. And then, ang slope niya ay 2. Okay? Ibig sabihin ng 2 na slope, rise to 1 run. Okay? So, starting from the y-intercept, we're going to count 2 units upward. 1, 2, then 1 run. So, ito. So, sabihin na, ito yung ating line. Okay, teka. Tatama doon sa 3. Ito yung ating so, yan yung ating slant asymptote. Y equals 2x plus 7. Okay. So, ito yung ating x equals 1. So, ilagay natin yung, kunin natin additional points. We have negative 4. If x is negative 4, substitute natin dun sa function. So, we have, that will be 2 times 16 plus 5 times negative 4 or 5 times minus 3 all over negative 4 minus 1, so that will be negative 5. Our answer is negative 1.8. So, negative 1.8. So, negative 4, negative 1.8. So, somewhere here. So, if x is negative 2, so ito. lagay natin doon. So that will be 2 times 4 na yun. Plus 5 times negative 2. Minus 3 all over negative 3. Okay? Negative 2 minus 1. Answer is 5/3. So 5/3 is 1.67. So negative 2, 1.67. Somewhere here. So ito. And then 0.5. So maglagay pa tayo. So let's say x equals negative 0.5. So we have 2 times 0.5 squared. 5 times 0.5 minus 3 over negative 1.5. That is 3.33. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, negative 0.5, 3.33. Pataas dito. So, ito ay okay. Show natin ito. Okay. X is 0.5. Okay. Ngayon, 1.5. So we have 2 times 1.5 squared plus 5 times 1.5 minus 3. 1.5 minus 1. 18. So 18. So 3 plus na. 2 times 3 squared plus 5 times 3 minus 3. And then 3 minus 1 equals 15. So 315. Okay. So tanggalin natin to ha. Para may sketch natin siya. Extend natin yung ating vertical asymptote. Tsaka yung horizontal asymptote. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, we have 1.518 sa mataas. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, sabi natin to 1.518 here. And then 3, we have 15. So 3 somewhere here. Sabihin, ang graph natin, kapag ganito siya. Oops, sama. Yan, pababa. Pababa na siya dito. Yan, pababa. And then dito naman, pataas siya doon, pero pagdating dito, papaganon siya. Okay. Okay, ito yung ating x equals 1. So that will be the graph of the function f of x equals 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 all over x minus 1. So, ito, diretsyo na siya dito. Ito pababa, pataas siya dito. Okay. So, ito yung kanyang y-intercept, So, this is the y-intercept of this slant asymptote. We have here 0, 3. We have here 1 half 0, x-intercept. And we have here negative 3, 0, another x-intercept. And this is this last asymptote y equals 2x plus 7. So that will be the end of the discussion in sketching the graph of the rational function. And this is example number 4 in graphing the rational function. So thank you.